Hi, this one may look a bit strange. What I want to do with this is to synchronize the video with sounds. So I'm going to clap my hands, obviously, snap fingers. Again, this is just, I'm completely mad. This is just to use the software to synchronize the video and the sound files, which are now on separate items. The microphone and the camera are no longer connected together. So hopefully I should have this synchronized. The software, by the way, is the Power Director 15, which has a cool synchronization feature, which if it works for me, I'll show you all in another video. So thanks very much for your time.